If you're looking to dive into vector design, whether it's logos, illustrations, or typography, this quick guide will show you how to download Adobe Illustrator for free on PC, Mac, and laptop with a 14-day trial. Let's walk through it. First, click on the link in the video description. It will take you straight to Adobe's official business trial page for Illustrator. Once there, click Start Free Trial. You'll be given two payment options. The monthly plan is great if you want short-term access and the flexibility to cancel anytime. The annual plan is a better deal monthly if you plan to stick with Illustrator beyond the trial. Next, log into your Adobe account, or create a free one if you don't have one yet. Just a heads up. Adobe does require a payment method to activate the trial, but you won't be charged as long as you cancel within the 14-day window. Setting a calendar reminder is a smart move to ensure you don't forget to cancel. Once that's done, Adobe will prompt you to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Open it, search for Adobe Illustrator, click Install, and you're all set. You'll now have full access to Illustrator and all its tools. No restrictions, no watermarks, for 2 whole weeks. This is the perfect time to start experimenting with pro-level design tools and get a feel for what Illustrator can do for you. If you found this useful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials, software tips, and creative tool walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!